Yeah, I got robbed. I knew it. Whenever I catch one. So we'll just put him outside giant. That 2-pounder is super big. Yeah, I think he's on there. Yeah. Yeah, he's on there. I think he's on there. I think he's on there. Are you reeled in? Yeah. Yeah, I think there's one on there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh! Oh, it's a really good one. It's spicy. Here we go, guys. Oh, yes! Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, he was down there in the grass. Ooh, does that come out? Yes. I think Grandpa's found the spot. Don't have that much battery left on my fridge. Sucks. Nice one. Oh, I can get that out. Oh, sorry. I mean, I could probably just pull it out with my hand. Just pull it out. Oh, no, your rod's going. He's taking drag. No, you going. Oh, no, right tip up. That's a big one. Right tip up. Dude, your rod was almost in the water. Oh, that's a really good one. Right tip up. Swing to your right. Got him. That's a big one. That's a nice one.
Wait.
There we go.
That's a good one.
He was taking drag. I was like, oh no, he must have gotten a big one then. That's a keeper. Okay, let's go take a picture. Grandma. Yeah, I'm keeping him. That's a nice one. Starting to get some action, guys. No. I'm just watching him off. Grandma, can you take a picture? Oh, wait a minute. Is there another one jump right in front of me? I think my camera just died. Guys, my grandpa might be a fish. I think it's a fish. Yeah, the line's moving. It's a fish. They know. Remember that one year? They were fighting like crazy. No. Wait. Oh my god. You guys, I just casted the line just randomly 10 feet in front of me. And I just like, as soon as he just ate it, too. That's a good one. I'm going to weigh him. He might be the biggest right now. Yes! Let's go. Big tangled. No, can you hold this right now? No, hold the rod, please. I'm going to need you to hold the rod. No, don't do that. I'm videoing. No, that's animals. Look, here, no, hold the rod. I need to weigh him. Yeah, I saw that. That was pretty sick. Looks like pretty good. Graham, can you take a picture? I got another one. I just cast it randomly right in front of us. And that's a long one. Yeah, that's the biggest. I think this is the biggest, guys. Alright, let's weigh him in. I think he might be bigger. He's long. How much is he weighing at? Why is it in kgs? I want it in... No, that ain't right.
Non-weighted or
Man, mine is long.
fully weighing it?
0.27. That don't seem right. I'm gonna call it 0.75 because he feels like 0.7 ounces.
Mine's 0.18. Still the biggest.
Alright, you guys in here. Yeah. Alright, well, thought it was a monster, guys, but he... Oh, nope, he just came off, actually. It was tiny. He was maybe 6 inches. He was super tiny. He was fighting like crazy. But, I mean, yeah, he was like 6 inches anyways. I got him on land. I didn't want him to die because he was tiny. He was like 6 inches. He came out. I set the hook perfectly. Grandpa, I didn't want to keep him because how tiny he was. He was super duper tiny. He was taking drag though. He was feisty for a little 6 incher. But tonight, guys, we're actually going creek fishing. So there's some creek chubs, and I think there's also creek fishing, creek chubs. Find some creek chubs. Dang, man. Well, that's my 7th fish, so at least some of it's tiny like that guy. But where'd that one at? Alright, I will see you guys whenever I get a fish.